Good morning, everybody. Walter Bell here with Aloha Agents. Let's take a look at this beautiful fixer-upper. So, here we are. This property is a gem. I love it. Look at this view, first and foremost. As you can see, way out there, that's Diamond Head, that's the ocean. We have a beautiful day. Pretty sure you can see outer islands on even clear days. And here is the home, classic Kama'aina style home. Needs your personal touches to make it a beauty and bring it back to life so that you can write the next chapter of your life in this home. And that's what's so amazing about our local Hawaii real estate market, is that you are able to find these amazing homes in amazing locations with absolutely breathtaking, stunning views. And from there, put your personal touches on them, make them your own, build significant equity, and have a beautiful life here on the island. Let's take a look at the outside. So, going outside, once again, that view just takes my breath away. We do have a yard, which is quite nice. A little bit of a side yard, plenty of underground storage. It's a post-and-pier construction, which is nice. Makes it easy to work on. You could also go ahead and, if you desired, knock it down and build over new. But the bones of the home are still really, really good. So, as you can see, nice ability to walk all the way around the home, to have a yard and your green space. And driveway is a little steep, but that's okay. Just get an SUV and you have a garage. And like I said, the home is post and pier. Everything is very easily accessible. This is what you want. Alrighty, have a great day. Aloha.